This beans and rice recipe is a vegetarian recipe that comes together all in one pot using these beautifully covered and aromatic herbs, spices, and veggies. We've got peppers, we've got onions, garlic, cilantro, green onions, tomatoes, and to keep it on the lower carb side, we're using a cauli rice and a black soybean. So you guys, let's go on over to the stove and put all of this deliciousness together. To our pot, we're going to add some avocado oil, our peppers, and our onions. A little bit of salt. Stir all of this together and continue to cook until these veggies are tender. Okay, time to add the garlic and our cumin and paprika. And give this a stir and continue to cook until the garlic becomes fragrant. Okay, this is smelling amazing. So go ahead and add in our tomatoes. Next, our black soybeans. A little salt to taste. I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna turn it down to simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, this has come to a boil. Let's turn this down to low, let it simmer, and cover. Okay, it's time to add in our cauli rice. Mix this in. And cover. Okay, everyone, we are on the home stretch of this recipe. So go ahead and give it a taste for salt and pepper. Now's the time to add it. And this is good just the way it is. So to this, I'm going to add some cilantro, some green onions, and some lime juice. Give this a stir. Turn off the flame. Cover and let this rest for about 5 minutes to let all of these flavors come together. This is ready. Another delicious one-pot meal that is low carb and vegan. Lord, I thank you. One of the things that I absolutely love about this recipe is that each one of these ingredients you can taste in it. That's how phenomenal this is. It's not one thing overpowering the other. It's just, again, a harmonious blend of everything together, you guys. One more bite. Give that a try. And to pair with it, I'm just thinking of a skillet cornbread right about now would be phenomenal with this, or a side salad, or just your fork, you guys. Please do give the video a try. When you do, leave me a comment that you have. Let everyone know just how phenomenal this is. And remember to give this video a like and a share. And also, please do subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. Thank you guys so much for being here. Remember, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. I will see you guys real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy.